nightmares in my head. I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. Anxiety, filling up every space, no privacy. And silently, it could build and build until you finally see, whoa, it's taking over, damn, no closure, moving closer. No exposure, I just wanna be a loner. Some can't stay sober, looking over all their shoulders, like moving boulders just to get out.
Today's a black car day. Dude, I love how you can see the headers. It's really nice.
I don't know who or how.
It's cool.
I think it's aftermarket.
Definitely aftermarket.
What kind or what?
It's definitely aftermarket. And by
I'd like to find out what it is and who did it.
I'm not sure, but by the color of it, it looks titanium. Like this is not stainless. This looks like a titanium pipe because it sounds nice. It has an amazing pop to it.